All right, we're at a secret facility here. What is happening here? Anybody here?
Oh, here we are.
Hey, there he is. What's going on, dude? How are you?
Yeah.
So this is a secret facility.
Yeah,
Storage,
pretty much. Yeah, it's bulk storage.
That's cool. A couple of frames. I see a International over there.
Yeah, secret thing, right? Crew cab.
Old engines over there, and then wow, that's
a few 10-speed transmissions.
holy cow.
Another project, some
Extras.
project stuff.
Another truck.
It's another truck. This one was converted. Yeah, this is
okay.
This was one of the test vehicles as well.
So this is sort of what you guys use.
It's like a beta test vehicle.
Oh,
yeah,
cool.
it was so
There you go.
Godzilla
Right.
stuff. Yep.
You have so many things. It's amazing. So what's over here?
So we got a crew cab, long bed. We got
Bronco.
bulk radiator storage, bulk knuckle storage,
Oh wow, look at all those radiators.
transfer cases storage. Try not to make it all a catch-all, but it's really
Well, it's storage, man.
Yeah, it's storage.
It's really clean for
Yeah,
storage.
yeah.
That's cool. Hidden
R&D projects.
That's cool. That is nifty. It's a lot of radiators.
Yeah.
What's in these big boxes?
So these are Coyote engines from Ford
Those
Performance.
are all over there?
Yeah, all the way back to the walls, all Coyote engines. Yeah.
Dude, you got tons of engines. Oh my gosh.
There's some 2.3 EcoBoost back here to your right. So that's I really like the 2.3 EcoBoost, but it doesn't get a lot of love. Yeah, it's 310 horsepower, 350 foot-pounds of torque. That's the 2.3 EcoBoost.
I was talking to a tuner. Oh, these are?
Yeah.
I was talking to a tuner, and he said that you can get a lot of
You get a lot of power out of them, yeah.
Wow.
Just
Wow,
the
dude.
sound is not there, right?
Yeah, that's what it's missing.
Yeah.
So wow, you've got Godzilla, Coyotes, transfer cases, transmissions, four-cylinder EcoBoost, a lot of stuff here. Holy cow!
Yeah, four-door Broncos.
Hey, look, I actually spotted a 302 289.
There you go. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. Right where it belongs, on a crate.
That's awesome.
In storage.
Yeah. Hey, it's there though if you need it.
It's there if you need it. Yeah.
Cool, man. Well, hey, thank you for showing me around this. Is this it?
Yeah, this is it. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta have storage, dude.
Yeah, I gotta have storage.
That is so cool.
So if you need engines, transmissions, transfer cases, we got them in stock.
There you go. Kincer, thank you so much, bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Yep.